See the next question, rational number. It is seventh question. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, lesser than and equal sign. So you have to fill this box with suitable symbols. The symbols are greater than, lesser than or equal symbol. Which symbols are suitable to this rational number? So first one, say minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. So that means which is greater and which rational number is smaller, or it may be equal, that you have to identify. Clear? So the first rational number is minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. So if you compare minus 7 by 5 by 7 and 2 by 3, in this 2 by 3 is a positive rational number, isn't it? 2 by 3 is a positive rational number and minus 5 by 7 is a negative rational number. Because the sign is a negative, here sign is not mentioned, but we consider there is a sign, that sign is a plus. So plus 2 by 3 is a positive rational number. So positive integers or positive numbers always greater than negative integers, negative rational number, isn't it? So the values are increasing in positive rational number and there is a decreasing negative rational number. So that means 2 by 3 is a greater. This number is a greater than minus 5 by 7. So which symbol is suitable? So we can write a symbol like this here. So this is minus 5 by 7 is lesser than 2 by 3. Or how we can read? 2 by 3 is greater than minus 5 by 7. Or you can read minus 5 by 7 is lesser than 2 by 3. Clear? Okay, now we'll see second question, that is minus 4 by 5 and one more minus 5 by 7. See, in this both the rational numbers are negative rational number. So write minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. So if you compare, say minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7, both the rational numbers are negative, minus sign. So now can you say that which is greater and which is smaller, which is lesser than another rational number? Can you say? No. What we have to do in this case, you have to make denominators same. So here the denominators are different, isn't it? If denominators are same, then easily we can identify. But in this case, see, denominator is 5 and here it is 7. So what we have to do? First you have to make denominator same. That means this 7, this denominator, this 7 you have to multiply to both numerator and denominator. Clear? Then here the denominator is here 5 and multiply 5 to both numerator and denominator. So if you multiply this, we will get the answer. 4 sevens are 28 and 5 sevens are 35. Is it correct? So what is the sign here? Minus. So minus 28 by 35 and here 5 5s are 25 and sign is minus and 7 5s are 35. See the denominator. The denominator is here 35. Denominator here also 35. Now denominator becomes same. See the numerator. Numerator is minus 28 and here the numerator is minus 25. So in this, see, if you draw the number line, you come to know, see, this is a number line, draw the number line, and here the numerator is minus 25 and one more minus 28, both also negative. So we can see the negative integers in left hand side. On the number line, we can see the negative integers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. This is what negative integers. So here the number is minus 25 and 28. That means, see, the values are decreasing here, isn't it? Negative, the values are decreasing. Here 1, 2, 3. For example, here minus 20, minus 21, minus 22 like this, minus 25. Next minus 26, minus 27, minus 28. So this is what the values are decreasing, isn't it? The values are decreasing. If you go to right hand side, this is what positive integer, the values are increasing because plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 25, plus 28, these are what positive rational number, the values are increasing, and here negative, the values are decreasing. So in integer chapter I explained so which numbers are greater, which is lesser, how to identify. See, in this minus 25 and minus 28, see in this which number is greater, which integer is greater, minus 25 is greater or minus 28 is greater, minus 25 is greater than minus 28. But in the positive, what happens? If you get positive sign, so here 25 plus 25 and plus 28, which is greater? You know that 28 is greater. But in the negative here minus 25 is greater than minus 28. Okay, positive plus 28 is greater than plus 25. So now can you say that which term is greater? Minus 4 by 5 or minus 5 by 7? Minus 4 by 5 is lesser than minus 25 by 35. Clear? So this is minus 28 is smaller. This is smaller, simple. Clear? So this is lesser than minus 25. So we can say that therefore minus 4 by 5 is lesser than minus 5 by 7. So if you multiply this, if you make same denominator, we get minus 5 by 7 is greater. Okay. So now third question, see here minus 7 by 8, minus 7 by 8 and minus 7 by 8 and another rational number is 14 by 16. See here, here the sign is minus in the denominator, sign minus in the numerator. So minus 7 by 8 and 14 by minus 16, minus 16. So here minus 7 by 8, for this how much you have to multiply? Because the denominator is different, we cannot say which is greater, which is smaller, isn't it? So what you have to do? First you have to make a same denominator. Okay? The denominator is here 18 and your denominator is 16. So to make same denominator, 16 means you know 8 divides 16, isn't it? So now to get 16 here, how much you have to multiply? It's simple because 18 and 16 we can see in same table. These two numbers we can see in the same table. It comes in the same table. So how much you have to multiply to get same denominator? How much you have to multiply to get same? Means here 8, here 16. For 8 if you multiply 2, isn't it? 8 2s are 16. So now here also you have multiply 2. Same number you should multiply to both numerator and the denominator. So here why I multiplied 2? Because we want to make the same denominator. We want to get same denominator. So if you multiply 2 to the denominator, we will get 8 2s are 16. Here also the denominator is same 16, isn't it? So what you have to do now? 7 2s are 14 and 8 2s are 16. So minus 14 by 16 and here plus 14 by minus 16. Plus 14 by minus 16. So this plus into minus. What is the sign here? Plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Here also plus into minus. Sorry, this is division, right? So plus minus minus. Here also plus minus minus. Okay. Now next say this. If you want, you can simplify. Then you can come back, or you also to multiply 2 because to get the same denominator. This if you simplify, this are 2 7s are 2 8s are, we get 7 by 8. Then here also 7 by 8. That is also can. Okay. Or else you have to multiply 2. So now we got 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. Here also denominator is 16, numerator is 14. So the sign is minus 14 by 16 minus 14 by 16. Which is greater? greater? So can you say which is greater and which is smaller? No, both also same. So 14 by 16 are 14 by 16. The denominators are numerator also denominator also same. Even sign also same, minus minus, isn't it? So we can write this symbol. This symbol of equal symbol. Clear? So the minus 7 by 8 is equal to 14 by 16. One more method. Understand how we can simplify this one? Minus 7 by 8 and plus 14 by minus 16. So plus minus minus. So 7 by 8 and here 14 and 16. These two numbers are divisible by same number because both also even number. So what you have to do? Just simplify. Divide. 2 how much are 7? 2 how much are 14? 2 7s are 14. 2 how much are 16? 2 8s are 16. So what is that number? 7 by 8. So your sign plus minus minus. Is it correct? Plus minus minus. The values we got minus 7 by 8. Here also minus 7 by 8. So both also same, isn't it? So we can write the equal sign. Clear? You can do any method, you get the same answer. If you do any method, you get the same answer. Okay? You can simplify or you can multiply the term. Okay? Now, so here the third question we got both the rational numbers are equal. After simplifying, we get the same answer. So now, see the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Minus 8 by 5 and minus 7 by 4. Minus 8 by 5 and another one minus 7 by 4. So now can you say which is the greater one and which is smaller one? So we cannot identify, we cannot say which is greater, which is smaller without making denominator same. Okay? Now the denominator, see here denominator is 5, here denominator is 4. What do you have to do? Just multiply this denominator, means 4 you have to multiply both numerator and denominator, and similarly minus 7 by 4, for this you have to multiply which denominator or this denominator. What is that? 5. Multiply 5 to both numerator and the denominator. So if you multiply, we will get 4 8s are 32. Is it correct? 8 4s are 4 8s are 32. Sign is minus in the denominator. 5 4s are 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So next minus 7 into 5. 5 7s are 7 5s are 35 and sign is minus the denominator. 4 5s are 20. Okay? 4 5s are 20 and here 32 and 35. So the denominators are same and the numerator you can compare now. 32 and 35. Minus 32 minus 35 both also negative integers. So which is greater one and which is smaller one? Minus 32 is greater than minus 35 because they are negative integers. The smaller one is always greater, isn't it? See here 32 is 32 negative, 35 is negative, so that is smaller. Therefore minus 8 by 5 is greater than, because this is greater now, so therefore minus 8 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 4. Clear? So this is the answer. Understood how we can identify which rational number is greater and which is smaller. So here you have to use fill in the blanks with the correct symbol. These three symbols are given. Which symbol is suitable? Clear? That you want to identify. So now fifth question. See the fifth question, that is 1 by minus 3. Fifth question, 1 by minus 3 and minus 1 by 4. 1 by minus 3 and minus 1 by 4. denominators are different. So how we can make same denominator? So 1 by minus 3. For this you have to multiply directly. So directly multiply 4 to both numerator and denominator, and here you have this denominator. Multiply. You want write in the next step, okay? This is the question. 1 by minus 3 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by minus 3. This sign is a plus minus. Similar. Plus minus 1 by 4. Now what you have to do? Just multiply this denominator. Means 4 you have to multiply into both numerator and denominator. And here you have multiply 3 to both numerator and denominator. So if you multiply, we get 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. See here, 1 3s are 3 and 4 3s are 12. So in this sign is minus, here also sign is a minus. Now can you say that which is greater and which is smaller one? Minus 4 by 12 and minus 3 by 12. Which is greater? So now if you see in the number line, minus 3 comes first, which is minus 4, isn't it? This is the number line, you can imagine. 0, minus 1, minus 2, and this is the minus 3, minus 4. You know, values are decreasing, isn't it? Values are decreasing, and this side values are increasing. Minus 4 and minus 3, in this, minus 3 is greater, minus 3 is greater. So therefore, we can say that 1 by minus 3 is smaller than, because the minus 4 by 12 means 1 by minus 3. So 1 by minus 3 is lesser than minus 1 by 4. Clear? So 1 by minus 3 is, or you can say that minus 1 by 4 is greater than minus 1 by 3. The next term. See, the next question, that is 5 by minus 11 and minus 5 by 11. 5 by minus 11 and minus 5 by 11. So in this, if you see, the numbers are same, isn't it? 5 by 11 and 5 by 11. So but sign, what about the sign? Sign in the denominator is negative and the sign in the numerator is negative. So what we have to do? Just apply the rule. Here the sign is plus minus. Minus plus. So now plus minus. Plus minus minus. Is it correct? Yes. Plus minus minus. And the number is 5 by 11. Next rational number, minus plus. Minus plus minus 5 by 11. So minus 5 by 11 and minus 5 by 11. So both also same, isn't it? So now we can say that the fourth question, minus 5 by minus 11 and minus 5 by 11 are equal. So write the symbol. This is an equal symbol. Okay. So now understood now these two are same. So we have to write a equal sign. So the last question, seventh one. See, 0 and one more is a minus 7 by plus 6. 0 and minus 7 by plus 6. So this easily we can say 0 is greater. 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. Because say minus 7 by 6 is negative rational number. So negative rational number. So 0 comes before this, isn't it? So we can say, if you imagine the number line, you can understand. So 0 comes first. 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. No need of making denominator. Here there is no denominator. If you want, you can write the 1 and you can multiply, we will get same answer. Okay? This is very simple. 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. Thank you. Okay, next question. See, which is greater in each of the following? Which is is greater in each of the following. Just you have to identify the greater one in the given rational number, pair of rational number. So the first question, 2 by 3, 5 by 2. 2 by 3, 5 by 2. So in this, which is greater? Without making denominator, can you say which one is greater? We can say by dividing 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. If you divide, you get the answer in decimal point. In that we can identify. Or else directly we cannot say. Isn't it? Saying the question, we cannot say which is greater and which is not. So in this also, you just write the greater one. So 2 by 3 and 5 by 2. So both also positive rational number. 2 by 3 also positive and 5 by 2 also a positive rational number. So just this denominator multiply, because we want to make same denominator. So multiply here 3 and multiply 3. So we get 2 2s are multiply 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and here 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. See, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. 4 by 6 and 15 by 6, which is greater? 4 by 6 and 15 by 6 in this, 15 by 6 is greater, because 4 and 15. See the numerator, denominator same. Just go to see the numerator here plus 4 plus 15 is positive integers, see plus 15 is greater, right? 15 is greater than 4, so we can write this symbol. So this is greater than this. Therefore 15 by 6 means 5 by 2. 15 by 6 means what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is greater. Here we must write like this. 5 by 2 is greater. So the second one, see, minus 5 by 6. Second one, minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. Minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3 in this. Which is the greater? See the numerator, minus. Both also negative rational number, but we cannot identify which is greater. So now 6 and 3 denominators are different. So just multiply 3 to both numerator and denominator, or else you have to take LCM. So this is easy method. Okay. So multiply 3 to both numerator and denominator. So 4 again minus 4 by 3. So this you have to multiply 6 to both numerator and denominator. If you multiply 6, we get 6 3s are 18 and 3 6 are also 18. So now multiply numerator and denominator. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay. So now 5 3s are, what is 5 3s are? 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. So minus 15 by 18, and here 4 6s are 24. The sign is minus and 3 6s are 18. So which is greater? Now both also negative rational number. So in this negative rational number 15 and 24. So 15 is greater, isn't it? Negative rational number, smaller one is greater. So here 15 minus 15 by 18 is greater than minus 24 by 18. So minus 15 by 18 means here the number is minus 5 by 6. Is it correct? 15 by 18, that is what? Minus 5 by 6. So this is greater. Therefore minus 5 by 6 is greater. Minus 5 by 6 is greater. Understood? So this is the second answer. Second question answer. Now the third one you have to say minus 3 by, right? Third one, minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. Minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3. Both also negative rational numbers. and in that the denominators are different. So what you have to do first, see this denominator sign is minus and here numerator sign is minus. So write like this, plus into minus. Here sign is plus, so plus minus is a minus. So the number is a 3 by 4. Here the sign is plus minus minus, and here 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 3. So which is greater? Both are negative rational number. So which is greater in this? 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 denominators are different. So we cannot say which is greater. So multiply 3 and multiply 3. Correct? So here multiply 4, multiply 4. Now, so if you multiply, we get minus, right as it is, 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are, what is 4 3s are? 4 3s are 12. Next again, 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Minus 8 by 12 and minus 9 by 12. So which is greater in this? Minus 8 is greater. Minus 8 is greater than minus 9. So therefore 2 by minus 3 is greater. 2 by minus 3 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Okay? Is it correct? Yes. Minus 8 by 12 is, that is 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. Therefore 2 by minus 3 is greater. So the last, I think, fourth question. Fourth question, that is this is third one. Fourth question, say minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. This directly we can say which is greater and which is smaller. Because one is positive rational number and another one is negative rational number. Then one was the denominator also same. The denominator is here 4, there also denominator is 4. Same denominator, but the sign is different, plus minus, correct? Minus, this is negative rational number, this is it correct? Yes. Minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4. So now which is greater? Always positive rational numbers are greater, isn't it? So therefore we can say that therefore 1 by 4 is greater. 1 by 4 is greater than minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now last, that is fifth question. The question is in mixed fraction, isn't it? Mixed fraction. So first you have to convert into proper fraction or improper fraction, isn't it? Yes. You see. Minus 3 into 2 by 7. That means minus 3, 2 by 7, comma, one more mixed fraction, that is 3, 4 by 5. 3, 4 by 5. One is 3, 2 by 7 and one 3, 4 by 5. 3, 4 by 5. So in this, see, first you have to convert into proper fraction or improper fraction. So we get 7 3s are, these two you have to multiply, right? 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 21 plus 2, that is 23. Is it correct? 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, so 23 by 7. So the sign is minus 23 by 7. Again, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, that is 19, so 19 by 5, 19 by 5, the sign is minus. Now if you convert this into proper fraction, then now can you say that which is greater and which is smaller one, which is lesser and which is greater? No, because the denominators are, again here denominators are not same, so we cannot identify which is greater and smaller. So what we have to do, here also we have to make a same denominator. So minus 23 by 7 into 5 and you also into 5. This denominator. Denominator is here 5. So that number you multiply to both numerator and denominator. So one more, minus 19 by 5. So this you have to multiply 7 and you also multiply 7. So now if you multiply, we get 23 5s are. What is 23 5s are? 5 3s are 15. One remaining here. We get 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, that is 11. So 11 by 115 by 7 5s are. Denominator is 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. What is the sign? Sign is minus. Is it correct? 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. One remaining. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So answer minus 115 by 35. And here 19 into 7. 19 7s are. What is 19 7s are? 7 9s are. 7 9s are 49. Next, sorry, 7 9 is 63. Is it correct? Yes, 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6, that is 13. So I got answer 139. 7 9s are 63. 63 means 6 remaining, right? So 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So the answer 139 by 35. So here the sign is minus. Correct. So minus 139 by 35 and one more minus 115 by 35. So in this 115 is greater than minus 139. So we can say that minus 115 is greater than minus 139. So therefore minus 115 by 35 means this fraction. What is that? Minus a by minus 3 2 by 7. Minus 3 2 by 7 is greater. Therefore minus 3 2 by 7 is greater. Clear? So this is greater than the second rational number. Second rational number, that is minus 3 4 by 5.